Lane95, subscribe, baby.
Hey, first impressions.
Fire.
The new knee pad.
Fire. Crazy. Can't see it, but crazy.
Waiting on your LT1 from the shop.
First priority when I get mine back, right there. Motoville with the good ideas.
First step, hit your local craft store. Alright, step 2. Get yourself a little bit of fabric. Got some suede material here. Got myself some foam and some suede. And a staple gun. Alright, y'all. See, it's got that good back and forth suede to it. Let's put it in the car, see if it fits. Alright, now there's these 2 little clips. They go in those 2 holes right there. And you just want to push it down. Alright, now I'm just going to take a credit card or something. And you got any loose fabric, tuck it in. Tuck it in the trim there. Really, super glue might even work better than staples, because you just gotta keep it on there now. That's how you get you some suede pads. Spent 20 bucks on the fabrics. I put pad in here. I don't know about you guys, but my knees on there all the time. Upgrade from the plastic. So I'll just pop these off. Probably do the same thing. I popped that off. I haven't got to it yet. Got that good back and forth suede. Got my piece on the foam. Just cut around it, cut out the shape you want. Alright, I'm pretty happy with the shape of my foam. Soften the edges. Come here and 45 it. Go all the way around it like that. Cut out a little piece of fabric. Staple in right here to hold it. Now you're gonna want to stretch it out. Make sure your foam's where you want it, because unless you glue it on there or something, you're holding it in with the fabric. Stretch down there nice. Put you a staple in. Now, for the rest of this, I think I'm just gonna glue it. But you get the idea. Alright, for some difficult areas, the top here, get yourself some industrial strength adhesive. Give that a whirl. Alright, y'all. Got the door piece done. Slap that down there. Goes like so. You put these clips back in there. You took it off, so you should have no trouble putting it back on. Alright guys, got a little wrinkle right here. I can live with that, but it's on. And I put that padding in there. It's real nice. Let's see how we're chilling. Yeah, my knee's right on there a lot when I'm driving. It's gonna be nice. See, it's the plastic ones. Easy little upgrade. You can order the ones off GM, but they're like $300. And I don't know if it has this much padding. I spent 20 bucks. Put that little suede on there. Put the little touch on there.